Hello everyone, how are we today? It's a beautiful, nice, sunny, crisp day here in Perth, Western Australia, and I wanted to speak to you all today. So, what I wanted to speak to you today was about being good enough. So, that's something that I have seen a lot of us go through it, whether it is men or women. I would say women in particular. We judge ourselves based on the results that we get or the outcomes that we are able to get. Hi Rashmi, hi Prabhakar, hi Ryan. Thanks for watching, guys. So what I personally feel, and I have been going through this for myself, and what I have realized is that happy people, happiness is something that is or should be the ultimate goal. It should not be how much money we earn, how much can we offer. It should be measured on the basis of how much can we help others, or it should be that how happy can I make others. And believe me, success does follow when you are happy, yourself, and when you are making others around you happy. And another thing that I have learned in my journey working from home and helping others along the way is that one thing that money cannot buy is happiness. Although we say that, of course, haven't you heard about the retail therapy and how is that, you can buy everything under the sun with money. And believe me, guys, it's not that money is not important, but if we just chase money, it's never going to cut it. If we just focus on how many people can you help along the way, how much happiness can you spread around you, it totally changes the way universe or God or whatever upper force that you believe in, it does help you get there. And another thing that I wanted to speak to you all about is being happy no matter what. And that's something that I've learned from my kids. And how when they're babies, they're just happy whatsoever. Like if they have been fed and they have a nice clean nappy, they're happy. And when they grow up and when they're little, they don't need a lot to be happy. A simple cuddle from mom, or just a small candy, just little things in life make them happy. And that's something that we all need to learn, that we should not limit or make happiness a final destination. It should be the journey, and we should be happy irrespective of whether we are meeting targets, achieving our goals or not, because happiness gets it all. And happy people do not seek validation from others around them or meeting targets. And that's something that I'm trying to learn myself, because I'm a very results driven person. But what I have realized is that as long as I'm happy and I'm making others around me happy, everything else falls in place. And as long as I do not judge myself based on outcomes or results, everything just happens. So I would be happy to hear your views or comments around this topic that I've shared with you today. Yeah, that's it from me, guys. Have a happy and a blessed day. Speak to you all soon. Bye for now.